Now we will see how to create an SQL databases in Microsoft Azure. For that, click on the search bar. Just type here SQL databases. SQL databases. Select the first one. Now click on create. Click on create. It will open to this page. It will ask you for some details which you have to enter. Enter the subscription. Azure for Students is my subscription. Resource group which I have already created. If not, you have to create by clicking and create new. Then you have to give some database name of your choice. KL test database. This is the name I want to give here. KL test database name. Now select the server. If it is already there, you can select from this drop down menu. Otherwise, click on the create new. Just give some server name. I'm giving KL test SQL KSQL server. Okay. So this is the server name I have given. Select the location which is nearer to you. Here I'm selecting Asia Pacific, Central India. Now, when it comes to the authentication method, select use Microsoft Entra only authentication and select and click on this set admin. Click on the set admin. Here in the search bar, you have to type, you have to search for the email ID in which we have subscription has done. Okay. So when you click on this, it will display some mail IDs. Select the one in which you have given subscription mjohnhind@kaleuniversity.com. Select this one. Now click on OK. After this, you have to select the workload environment as production. Then leave everything as it is. Click on review and create. It will show us the cost. Here, see here, that is the cost for using this SQL database service in Azure is this is the amount for month. Okay, so just click on create. Now the deployment is going to process. It will take some time for creating all the related components. Now the deployment is completed. Now just click on go to resource. Go to resource. Just scroll down. You may see here configure access. You have to give access. You have to give access to your SQL database. For that, you have to click on this configure. Select selected networks. This option, and just click on add your client IPv4 address. It will create you a public IP address by the Azure. Okay. Now click on save. Now go to home page. In this, click on the SQL database which you have created. Just click here. Now click on query editor in the left hand side menu. Click on query editor. So here just click on hello list IP address. Successful updated. Now continue as your mail ID. Right. Now this will opens a query editor. In this editor, we are going to execute our commands. Now we will execute some commands. I want to create one table and I'm going to insert some data into it, and I'm going to retrieve the data in which I have inserted. Okay, for that there are queries. So this is the table. This is a create command. This is a SQL query. SQL query to create a table. I'm just creating a table called persons with these column names: ID, last name, first name, address, and city. So just click on run. Query succeeded. Okay, one table is created. Now if you want to check, select star from the table name, that is called persons. Okay, select this only this query and click on run. Okay, no rows affected because I did not insert anything, so it is showing 0 rows. Now I'm going to insert some data into it. Already the data, already the query is written with 5 rows. I'm just executing this. Copy there and paste here. Select only this insert SQL command and click on run. Affected 5 rows. Okay, now just check whether our data is inserted properly or not. Select start from table name is persons. Now check the data what you have inserted with this command. Select star from persons. Okay, once your work is done, if you are using a free account, if you are using a free account or a student subscription, make sure to delete this SQL database once you have done this, because it is cost more as we have seen earlier. So my suggestion is, if you are using a free account, pay account, you have to delete this SQL databases once it get completes. Okay, for that just click on the database what you have created, click on the delete, copy this, paste here, click on the delete. Okay, successfully deleted databases. Okay,